I'm Tara Fracalossi, the founding director of the Teaching Gallery. This space is used by students in the Fine Arts and Digital Media programs as a learning lab for installing and hanging artwork. We also feature student exhibitions at the end of the year for digital media and fine arts students, as well as for our advanced students. On view right now is work by our fine arts and digital media faculty, all of whom are professional working artists. During the rest of the year, students in the entire campus are welcome to come to view work by emerging and mid-career artists from across the East Coast. All exhibitions and gallery talks are free and open to the public, and we hope you'll stop by sometime. Thank you.